Okay, so this is called Largo de Companhia de Jesus, Jesus. And we're going to go up the street, which is right up this one. And we're gonna give you a little context before we even go up. There's Sao Paulo ruins, so we'll probably just try to explore a little bit around this whole area, also up to the top, and then we'll just give you a little bit of a tour of this little area and just kind of show you all the stuff that's happening. That goes all the way down to Senado Square down there. Kind of crowded everywhere you go today. So okay, so that's going to be our focus right here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, Largo de Companhia de Jesus. So I guess the first thing we're going to do is just kind of look down the streets a little bit. Got this cobblestone street all the way in this area, and then we're going to try to give you a little bit of a walk around here a little bit. It's got a Starbucks right there as well. It goes up, I think it goes up 3 stories, I think. Maybe I'm wrong. And we're going to try to kind of give you a little context of everything. So we're going to kind of come around this way first. Cars come down that way, so okay, this people will come up this hill. This will be like a really thick bottleneck, so we're going to do a little context of this one first, and of course everybody will have their cameras because the first sighting they see of the church, so we'll capture that briefly before we go up. So okay, and the bottleneck is kind of like right about in that spot over there. We're gonna turn around in a second, but yeah, so there we go. That's the bottleneck right in that space. So that's kind of very narrow. And then people will come around and they'll see this for the first time right on this space. So this is when people will stop and start taking pictures. Our focus is going to be that little side street, so we're going to maybe we'll come around the side here. Let's see. So some people, the cars can come around that side. There's a museum, Macau Timepiece Museum it's called. So that's kind of the crowds of people, our streets. So we're going to come around the side here a little bit. So let's just kind of take a look. So we're going to come up this side and kind of take a look at everything. And then we're going to kind of meander into the middle a little bit as well. Ice cream, barbecue, drinks. Let's see. Crowded in this space though. Okay, so I'm just going to try to come out into this. Later we're going to go up and then we're going to come down the streets. This is also the same street that we were on. So let's just kind of take a look around here real quick. It's just so crowded today. I think we're going to walk up on top of this little thing. So now we can get a better view of the whole square up here. There we go. That's kind of interesting. That's a lot of people today. So we're up on Uniglo, so this is a Uniglo area. I think I've seen people that go all the way up to the top and take pictures as well. And actually over there, there used to be a restaurant up there that you could sit. I sat there before, but it's like it's under construction now. It's like 2 stories under construction. That space. Okay. And then I don't know if we're still in our area or not, but there's a fortress up that way as well. Travessa de São Paulo. So there's the São Paulo ruins from that side. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back this way. We got a ton of people up here. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just take the steps up. Got a ton of people, so there's São Paulo ruins straight ahead. And I believe that we have our street sign. We'll kind of walk to the other side because I think it has it on the other side. Yeah, there it is. There's a street sign there. There's a street sign there. There's people at both street signs. So I think this whole, all the steps, all the things with the steps as well is all called Largo de Companhia, Company of Jesus. So there's a street sign right there. So Largo de la Companhia de Jesus. Now you can see everything from here. So this is also that same name, and I believe that the side street is also the same name too. Pretty cool. So as they call it, São Paulo ruins. That's also a fortress up there, Fortaleza. Okay, pretty cool. That's all the facade. So on the other side you won't see, I'll show you. I can't see it, but right there is the facade. So they got stairs, and it's just that one building right there. I think most people know that, but then up here is a temple, and there's kind of a cool spot down that way as well. And I guess technically we're on Resurrecção Street right here, but we're gonna be walking down that way. Yeah, Resurrecção. And then if you look at these, you have all the kind of famous stuff. Trinity Felicidade. I didn't know that patio was famous. So that is actually a tourist site. Paixão is going to be right to the left here. So we're going to walk. It's kind of cool too right there, right? That's really cool. That's kind of a cool spot right there. I guess they're taking some pictures up like that, so it's really cool. That's really amazing. Okay, so to the left is, to the right is Paixão Street, Street of Passion, right there. So it's kind of like a lover's street, basically. Cool balcony. There's a nice cinema right there too. And we got all these kind of nice, beautiful wall, and you got all the people all the way down like that too. That's kind of interesting right there, right? It's a really cool spot. It's super cool. So really nice area. Travessa de Paixão. Beautiful balcony too. Okay, so we are going to continue going down, and I guess we're basically on Resurrection Street. So we actually came off of the Company of Jesus Street, And now we're on Resurrection Street. But it's actually kind of cool. You just walk back briefly. Got a little wire right there too. It's really cool. Okay, so we're gonna head back into the crowds again. So I guess we actually are on Resurrection Street now, and we were on the Company of Jesus. Senado. No, Largo. Largo is square. So we inadvertently did 2 streets, the Resurrection Street and the Company of Jesus Street. So there we go. Kind of cool. Okay. Pretty busy day. So I guess what we're gonna do is just kind of meander back to I'll go this way. Back to our starting spot. So kind of cool. We're gonna just come right back. So this is the little Largo. It says Largo de Companhia de Jesus, and that was kind of the whole spot right there. So yeah, pretty cool. See if they can get across. Okay. Just gonna walk across the crowds a little bit. Go uphill a little bit. Okay. That's the last thing we're going to capture right there on the street. So pretty cool space. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.